Today, we're unraveling the mysteries of French cuisine by exploring some essential recipes that every beginner should master to experience the delicious flavors of France. Let's dive into these classic dishes and learn how to prepare them with confidence and flair. Number 1. Quiche Lorraine. Start by preheating your oven to 375 degrees 190 degrees. Roll out a store-bought or homemade pie crust and fit it into a pie dish. Prick the bottom of the crust with a fork and bake it in the preheated oven for about 10 minutes until lightly golden brown. Meanwhile, in a skillet, cook diced bacon until crispy. In a bowl, whisk together eggs, heavy cream, salt, pepper, and grated Gruyere cheese. Stir in the cooked bacon, then pour the mixture into the partially baked pie crust. Return the quiche to the oven and bake for about 30 to 35 minutes until the filling is set and the top is golden brown. Let it cool slightly before slicing and serving. Number 2. Coq au vin. Start by seasoning chicken pieces with salt and pepper. In a Dutch oven or large skillet, heat olive oil over medium-high heat and brown the chicken on all sides. Remove the chicken from the pot and set it aside. In the same pot, add chopped onions, carrots, and celery and cook until softened. Add minced garlic and cook for another minute until fragrant. Return the chicken to the pot and add red wine, chicken broth, thyme, bay leaves, and pearl onions. Cover the pot and simmer for about 45 minutes to 1 hour until the chicken is cooked through and tender. Serve the coq au vin hot, garnished with chopped parsley. Number 3. Beef bourguignon. Start by preheating your oven to 325 degrees 165 degrees C. Season beef chunks with salt and pepper, then toss them in flour to coat. In a Dutch oven, heat olive oil over medium-high heat and brown the beef in batches. Remove the beef from the pot and set it aside. In the same pot, add chopped onions, carrots, and garlic, and cook until softened. Add tomato paste and cook for another minute, then deglaze the pot with red wine, scraping up any browned bits from the bottom. Return the beef to the pot and add beef broth, thyme, bay leaves, and sliced mushrooms. Cover the pot and transfer it to the preheated oven. Cook for about 2-3 hours until the beef is fork tender. Serve the beef bourguignon hot, garnished with chopped parsley alongside mashed potatoes, rice, or crusty bread. Number 4. Ratatouille. Start by slicing eggplant, zucchini, yellow squash, bell peppers, and tomatoes into thin rounds. Arrange the sliced vegetables in overlapping layers in a baking dish, alternating colors for a visually appealing presentation. Drizzle olive oil over the vegetables and season with salt, pepper, and minced garlic. Bake in a preheated oven at 375 degrees 190 degrees C for about 45-50 minutes until the vegetables are tender and lightly caramelized. Serve the ratatouille warm, garnished with chopped basil or parsley and a drizzle of balsamic glaze. These essential French recipes are perfect for beginners looking to explore the rich and flavorful world of French cuisine. By mastering these dishes, you'll be able to impress your friends and family with your culinary skills and experience the delicious tastes of France in the comfort of your own home.